Hello guys, welcome back to another lead code video. I'm Rajat and today we will be solving another lead code question. Uh, Find missing and repeated values, lead code 2965. It's an easy question and it's the question of the day for 6th March 2025. So the problem statement says that you are given a zero index 2D integer matrix, grid of size n into n, with values in the range I n square. Each integer appears exactly once except a, which appears twice, and b, which is missing. Task is to find the repeating and missing numbers a and b. Okay. Return a zero index integer array answer of size 2, where answer 0 equals to a, that is which appears twice, and b, answer a equals to b, which is the missing number. Okay, so this is the 3 to 2. There is no sorting. Okay, there is no sorting. Okay, okay, fine. Let's see how we can do it. Um, there's no such sorting. Okay, let's go to our paint and uh, let's see how to solve it. Well, by the way, just an update that I have bought an pen tab, if you can see it. So from today onwards we will be solving some questions with the intuitions, so I'm really happy. So let's begin. I'm pretty much new to this using pen tab, so it will take some time to get acquainted, so please hold up for that time. I hope it will be fast. It's just a small pen tab, so it's really difficult to look into it. That was my budget, so I bought it. But anyways, so the question says that we are given um, an input array of. Okay, let's just take it. Okay, this really is difficult, to be honest. Sweet. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So we have an array of let's say 2. Okay, so we have 2 square, that is 4. So we will have an integer of 1 2. Okay, this is really difficult. And 3 4. Okay, 4. Now what we are supposed to do here is that we need to find something as but the ordering could change, so possibly this could be like 1 3 and 4 2. Okay, so this could be the possible like uh, arrangement. But now, given that we are said that there will be some integers where there will be a missing integer. So suppose, let's say 3 is missing. So the new array will be 1 4 4 2. Okay, just yeah. So this is the array integer, right? Now, how to find it? Let's see. Maybe we don't just need to check, since we are given that the limit will be 1 to n square. So in that case, we could apply the sum. Okay, the arrangement would be like, let me just erase it. Resolve, save pencil. Okay, so what could be the possible values? Okay, let's just arrange 1 3 3 2. Okay, this is really problematic. I need to get used to it, but okay, let's just. Okay, so I'm definitely having 1 2 2 uh, 4 actually. Okay, okay, 1 2 2 3. So 4 is the missing number, and this translates to our. Okay, so what we can do is that 3 5. Okay, we could take an array, we could take an uh, maybe a map, okay, of int and here we can just do the values like or the possible values of 1 and 2 would be 2 and 3 is 1. Sorry, this has to be 1, and we have like 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so what this will return is that this will simply, we can just then loop through then we can just loop with this map, then we can return a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. Okay, so let's solve it like that. First, so let's take unordered. Okay, we have been given grid n. So first of all, we have to find the number which is the length of n. Okay, so most probably int n is equal to grid dot length. Okay, this will give us the length of the grid. Fine enough. So now we know that so we will do vector int from. So let's just do it again. Let's just clear. Okay, we have integer 1 2. Okay, and then we have 2 3. Okay, so this means we will find that whether what is the length of the that vector is. So that is length is. So we will definitely find the vector dot length, that is n, and we now know that the number is from n1 to n square. Okay, right? So now we want to create a vector of int, okay, which will start from like 0 to n square. which will start from 0 to n square. So this is have all the possible values but subtracted from 1, or maybe we could just do 1. So n square plus 1. So let me just, okay, so have n square plus 1 if that is permissible. Okay, now start from we will start for loop for the outer. This means this one, and then we will have a for loop for inner. Okay, which is for this and these values, and then we will actually just go to vector. Suppose this is called as mp, so we just simply mp inner plus plus. Okay, so this will just give us, then we just need to find a value of mp which is 0 and mp which is 2. Simple enough. So this is our whole algorithm process. So let's just convert it into code. Okay. So we have found the length of the array. Okay, and we need to find n into n to n plus 1, or let's just give it power n to power n, and let's call it map. Okay, yeah, so that is the size, right? And let's just start for auto outer grid and C is equal to outer. Okay, in this case we will just simply go to map plus plus. Okay, and we also need to just initialize this to 0, we are creating a vector of n square and initializing each of the blocks or each of the spaces to 0. So this will initialize to 0. Now to do is just vector int answer to 2 places. Let's initialize 0. So now we will just simply int I is equal to 0. We don't want this. It's equal to, let's just initialize this to auto. And to this value. Okay, just for reusability of code, length and equals to length actually, then I plus plus. Okay, and this has to be this. Then what we need to do is that if mpi is equal to 0, mp is 0, the answer 1 has to equals to be I. Otherwise, else if mp I is equal to 2, then answer 0 has to be I. Okay, let's return answer. Okay, let's see. This is not the optimized. We will see the optimized version later, maybe. Grid dot length. Okay, this has to be size, I suppose. Okay, this is just an syntax error. It's definitely taking some time. If I submit it, it will get submitted. Yes, it's get submitted, but it isn't optimized. So let's see for optimality. Okay, let's see for optimality. Okay. Is there any kind of there's no such hint. Okay, so this is pretty good solution, to be honest. Let's see if there are any solution. Counting and math. Okay, then we can use counting push. Yes, we have done this in square. Yeah, for right, it's true. So we can use, it is that we can use sum and sum of square to identify the repeated and missing values. Okay, let's yeah. Sum of squares of all numbers from 1 to, okay. There's still a double loop, so why not this? I mean, this answer is pretty good. So yeah, I think that solves the problem. It was easy actually. Yeah, so that's it. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.